In diversity in living things and their classification. Today we will learn diversity and classification in animals. Different animals have developed different shapes to survive in the environment. There is a great variety in the body structure of animals too. The amoeba that cannot be seen with our eyes, the huge elephant, the small snails, the fish that swim in water, a kite that flies high in the sky, butterflies that flit around flowers, a house lizard that crawls on a wall, are all animals. Each has different characteristics. Animals have body parts like a head, a neck, a torso, a tail, and limbs for movement. They have various organ systems which carry on various functions inside their body. In this respect too, there is a lot of diversity in animals. We see a variety in animals with respect to their food as well. Since animals depend on others for their food, they are found in places where food is available. Different animals have different methods of obtaining and eating food. This too leads to differences in their body structure. A single cell organism is known as unicellular. An organism which has more than one cell is known as multicellular. Animals with a vertebral column are known as vertebrates. Animals without a vertebral columns are known as invertebrates. We have already learned that producing another living things like itself is called reproduction. According to the mode of reproduction, animals are classified into two types: oviparous animals and viviparous animals. The animals which lay eggs are known as oviparous animals. The animals which give birth to their young ones are known as viviparous animals. According to the habitat, animals are usually classified into four types. Terrestrial animals. The animals which live on land are known as terrestrial animals. Aquatic animals. The animals which live in water are known as aquatic animals. Amphibious animals. The animals which live in both places, land and water, are known as amphibious animals. Aerial animals. The animals which fly in the air, though they live in different places, are known as aerial animals.